Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to our new feature for Element Pack, the Duplicator. As you know, a duplicator for WordPress usually duplicates pages, posts or templates in the site's backend. Duplicator duplicates everything within the target page along with everything that page contains. If you are using any duplicator plugin for duplicating your pages, it's time to stop it, because Element Pack now provides its own duplicator feature. To use it, first log into your site's backend and go to the Other Settings tab of Element Pack dashboard. There, turn on the duplicator switcher and click on Save Settings. Now let's go to the post dashboard. Here, once you hover over the post titles, you will be able to see a button that reads Duplicate Post just under those titles. Clicking on the button will duplicate the post instantly and along with every data the post contains. The duplicated content will be saved as a draft by default. The same goes for pages. Just go to the Pages dashboard and hover over the page titles. You can see the Duplicate Page button here. Click it and wait for a bit. Oh, too many pages. Let's scroll down. There, you can see the duplicated page here. Our duplicator also works on templates. Go to the Elementor Templates dashboard and then click on the Duplicate Template button here. Just like that, the template is duplicated and saved as a draft. That's how the duplicator feature works. Team BdThemes has been working to make web design and development easier for you. Slowly but surely, we will bring more convenient tools that will help you offload other weights from your website and make it faster than ever. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.